There you go, come on.
Keep on, Bryson.
10 seconds. Finish. Come on, Nick. What do you got? What do you got? 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, go down. One more time. Come on, guys. Go. Nice. Side. Side. Quick. Come on. Let's go. 1 unit. Woo! Stand up. 20 seconds. This is it. Come on. Finish. Go.
Okay.
What are you going to do? What you going to do? I'm giving you a bonus round. Bonus round. One more is coming. Woo! There you go. Come on. Go down there. This is your bonus. Side. 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 Twist. Twist. Again. Again. And this is it. 20 seconds. Go. Hard. Push. Air. Next. Finish. What is it? It's nothing. 10 seconds. You want to finish the race? Finish it as hard as you can. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Winner. That's what a beast. I am a beast. I am a beast. To do that, you have to be a beast. Stand up. Right there. I want to go up. Good, good. All the way to the top. We got 20 total, guys. Are you counting? Keep going, buddy. Keep going. You got 4. Good. 3. And up. That's it. Let's see Nick here. Nick, is it getting hard? Really hard. You know, he's got 2 more. There you go. After that, you can rest. Last one. Drop your legs. Good job. Loving it. There you go. I'm eating my food. I'm taking my supplements. And this is 4 more. Dynamic training. Ab workout. Last one. Relax. Good stuff. 3. Good. 4. Awesome. 5. Come on, Nick. Perfect. You see his lower back right there? He's stretching his abs and he's working his lower back as high as he can. You see stretch, hold, and drop. Good job, buddy. Nice. Next. Spider-Man move. Go up to a plank. What's going to happen, you're going to bring this knee going all the way to your side of the elbow. Are you good? All right, all the way. Come on. And 1, and 2, and 3, and start. Go. And other side. Nice. Go. Come on, Nick. Squeeze those abs. And you're doing good, buddy. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Nice. Yeah. Good. Grab the weights. There you go, all the way. Come on. You want abs? You want to get ripped? You want to get shredded? That's what it takes, right? That's what it takes. All the way up and slow down. Relax. Perfect. Windshield wipers. Good. Lie flat. Palms down. Flat on the floor. Raise your side. Side. We're working the abs all the way. Whatever it takes to get this right there. This is all hard work.